In this part, I'll repair the third of the 9 MacBooks I got for $750. Only a cracked display on this MacBook Air 2019. Let's boot it up. I think someone has anger issues, but I'll fix that. Time to open it. Disconnecting the battery. Quick cleaning. I need to remove the antenna bar in order to remove the screen. Removing the hinge screws. New screen in place. Putting everything back together. Will the new display work? Fixed. Cleaning everything. Ready to sell for $500. Follow and make sure to come back for the 4th MacBook.